Encountering the could not connect to network error, specifically 0x83200110, on your PlayStation portal can be frustrating. This error generally means your portal is having trouble establishing a stable connection with your PS5 for remote play. Let's break down the common causes. The portal streams the PS5's output via HDMI capture and encodes it for wireless transmission, making network quality paramount. Other causes include Wi-Fi congestion, firewall blocks, DNS issues, or PSN service outages. Less obvious factors include MAC address filtering or VPN interference. To get started, first power cycle both your PlayStation Portal and your PS5. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. Also make sure that the portal's firmware is up to date. This requires a stable internet connection with at least 5 megabit PCI upload and download speeds. Key takeaways. Error 0x83200110 indicates network connection issues. Check Wi-Fi congestion, firewalls, and DNS settings. Start with power cycling and firmware updates. If restarting your devices didn't resolve the error, let's explore some more advanced solutions. These steps can significantly improve your network stability and fix error 0x83200110. First, check your Wi-Fi network. Try switching to a less congested channel, ideally the 6 GHz band if available. Enable quality of service settings on your router to prioritize gaming traffic. In a real case study, a user in New York City fixed the error this way. Next, make sure your router's firmware is up to date. Visit your router manufacturer's website to download and install the latest version. Outdated firmware often leads to network problems. Third, check that your firewall isn't blocking the connection. Remote play uses specific ports, TCP 9295 through 9304. Make sure these are open in your router settings. Fourth, try a wired Ethernet connection for your PS5. Connect it directly to your router with an Ethernet cable to bypass Wi-Fi issues and ensure stable remote play. Finally, stay updated with firmware releases from Sony. The 02.011 update enhanced network stability, and the upcoming 3.0 will feature AI-driven optimizations to prevent errors like 0x83200110. To summarize, optimize your Wi-Fi network, update router firmware, ensure ports are open, consider wired connections, and stay current with firmware updates. These steps will help you enjoy seamless remote play on your PlayStation Portal.